Hi everyone, my name is Kirsten Holbrook, and for my science experiment I will be making silly putty. So I already did one in the bag, and I didn't take into account how it has to sit to form into the putty. And you can't see it because I already colored it, but you can feel it. It's starting to already come together. So for this experiment, it was for 5th grade, and it was about matter. So if it's a solid, a liquid, what are the properties of matter? Could you identify them? And I feel like this experiment would be good because you could always ask questions. Is silly putty really a solid or a liquid? And so then the kids can do this experiment, and it really helped them with being able to identify what is really a solid or a liquid. So for this, you'll need liquid starch, which this is the only one that I could find. So this is the one I got. You'll need Elmer's glue, but not just regular Elmer's glue. It has to be the Elmer's glue all glue, which I found at Walmart, and I had already used all of it, so it's already sectioned into my measuring cups. And you'll use 1/4 of the glue, and then 1/2 of the liquid starch. And I thought if you put them in a baggie, it'd be easier for the kids to take them home. So let's go ahead and get started. So pour the liquid starch in to the measuring cup. And then the glue. And this is kind of messy, so I would suggest, if doing this with a class, that you have a couple of parents come in and help, so you're not the only adult trying to get it. I saw on another thing too, if you didn't want to use liquid starch, that you could do cornstarch, and but you'd have to whisk it, like you have to heat it up and all that stuff. So since this is at school, I just feel like it would probably be easier. And then just mix it up in the bag. So, and it takes a while for it to start to come together, and I don't even think you'll be able to see it because the liquid starch is so cloudy that I don't think it really helps seeing wise. But you can start to feel it like clumping together and becoming a solid. And then while you're mixing it, just choose whatever color you want, food coloring, and I'll do yellow for this one since I already am making a green one. But I just feel like this would be fun for the kids. They get to touch this, feel it, and it just makes it a good learning experience for them. You can see it already starting to turn. So here we'll go back to the green one. And it just takes a lot of like kneading, and it starts to get thicker as it sits in the bag. I almost want to do one with the cornstarch because I feel that the cornstarch would probably make this a little faster of a process. Feel the little pieces. So you could do this in a container or a bag. You could probably even bring like popsicle sticks. The kids could stir it together. Anything to make it a little faster and easier on you. But I just felt that if they did it in a bag, they could take it out, they could put it on saran wrap, play with it, and then once it's finished, they can put it back in here and they can take it home, and it's something easy for them to get back home. So I hope everyone enjoyed my science project. I really encourage everyone to try it because it's really fun to make and to get to see the process of it changing from a liquid into a solid.